Doorloop as well as Innago are both fantastic property management systems. However, if you're looking for a system that is best suited to your specific use case, you're going to have to explore them and see what works best. Well, today we're going to dive in and see which one is better. Let's do it. So here we are. Let's jump into Doorloop. Now, so Doorloop simplifies property management with accounting, tenant relationship management, maintenance, reporting features. This all enhances efficiency and boosts your ROI. Let's have a look at their accounting automation. So some of the key features here is automated rent collection and conciliation. You can integrate with QuickBooks or Xero. It has an automated late fee calculations and reminders feature, and then it has comprehensive financial reporting. So it automates rent collection and reconciliation. You can integrate it with your accounting software, and that late fee calculation, that's always fantastic because that is like a manual operation and now it's automated, so it's saving you tons of time and effort. Having a look now at their tenant management, there is an online portal, so your tenants can actually pay rent as well as submit requests online. This can really just streamline the whole process. Also, they have a credit, criminal, and eviction history check, which ensures that you have quality tenants. Also, announcements and direct messaging streamlines interactions. So they've got fantastic communication tools for you and your tenants as well as your teammates. You can enjoy paying rent and submitting requests, managing your communications with your tenants fantastically. Okay, so let's jump into Innago now. So Innago is a property management software designed to simplify tasks for landlords and any property managers. The platform offers a range of fantastic features for tenant screening to online rent collection, and it can help you manage your maintenance requests, and it can streamline communication. It is completely free. This is one of the most fantastic features. If you've watched some of our videos before, you will know we love free stuff. Who doesn't love free stuff? It eliminates setup fees, monthly charges, and contracts. This really is fantastic. The platform is completely free, reducing that financial burden. Also, competitors often charge a couple dollars per unit monthly. This can really add up, and this is just an awesome option. So also, it has the tenant screening feature, so you can access TransUnion credit, criminal, and eviction reports. It ensures a legally compliant tenant screening process. This is great. And credit reports start at $30 per applicant with varying rates for criminal and eviction reports. So this is nice because you can eliminate all of the tenants that you really don't want to have to go through the application process with pointlessly, because they're not going to pass the application process. So if you are looking for property management, one of the software that we had a look at today will be a solution for you. The key takeaway really is to go and try it out, see what actually works in a real life scenario, and then use it for a little while and test if it's efficient. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we will see you next time.